If you live on this island, or this island, you should go to this island. It's the island state of Pohnpei in the Federated States of Micronesia. It's an easy destination for Osaka residents who want to escape the rock for a few days. You can do everything from visiting pristine waterfalls and historic ruins to crashing parties and going boating. But if you're on Pohnpei and you've got the legs for it, I suggest you go for a long hike. So get out of Colonia, the capital city where you'll be staying, and head out to a mountain trailhead. Caporiso Mountain is an excellent choice. Plan ahead to get a guide and grab a taxi, and head to either trailhead in Rowi or Awak. Don't mind the bumpy road. You may have to walk a ways to the trailhead.
That sounds like we bottomed out.
I think we've bottomed out.
But with our guide, Raylio, we were in good hands. Before long, you'll be quickly engulfed by a mossy, palm-studded forest and every shade of green you could ever want. It's like a tropical Endor. To get to the 630-meter summit, plan for 3 hours of steady hiking. Be sure to stop and smell the roses, or in this case, the gel ginger plant, Zingiber zerumbut. Give it a squeeze and a gel-like substance pours out of its cone. It's used for conditioning hair and shampoo and also massage oil. The forested Caporiso ridgeline is a haven for endemic kata palms, areca palms, wild banana plants, ferns, and of course tons of moss. It's a very wet place. An hour and a half into the hike, Raylio took us to a clearing to show us the progress we had made.
Now you can see. What? Ugly? Very ugly. No, very ugly.
You can actually see Colonia to the right. And also, Raylio's house apparently.
You see the concrete house there is. Go inside. There, that's our house.
Bakin Atoll, 25 miles west of the airport, is seen on the horizon.
No one.
Along the way you might get hungry, but if you forget to pack a lunch, do not worry, says Raylio. He'll prepare you some wild heart of palm, the old-fashioned way. This kata palm was pretty easy to cut down, but getting at the celery-like heart of palm in the trunk was a little bit trickier.
This one for you.
Oh, okay. Thank you. That's pretty big.
When you begin seeing the Japanese World War II era fortifications, you know you're nearing the summit. The Japanese placed two 15-centimeter artillery guns below the summit to protect against amphibious assaults through the passes of Mwand and Alokap. In fact, much of the trail we're following is what remains of the route the Japanese took to haul up those heavy cannons. Don't linger too long though. Some of the toughest terrain is still ahead. At times, it seems like there is no trail at all, and that Raylio is just making it up as we go along. A very dicey trail awaits. Love it. But finally, our guide cuts us a path through the ferns to get us to the peak. The fifth highest mountain on Pohnpei, Capariso summit offers a 360-degree view of the entire island, and also glimpses of the neighboring atolls of Paquin and Ant. Enjoy the view while you can. It's another 3-hour trek back down the mountain. Unless, of course, you're as fast and agile as Raelio, a true veritable mountain goat.